Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to share the session link or details with participants during the session. First, locate the session info icon in the bottom right corner of the Roombr interface. Click on it to access session details. A session details pop-up window will appear, displaying relevant information about the session. To share the session link, simply click on the Copy Invitation option. This will copy the session link to your clipboard and paste it to the desired medium and share it. Next, you also have several options for sharing the link directly with participants. You can click on the Share via WhatsApp, Share via email, or Share via Facebook options. This will open the respective interfaces where you can authenticate with your credentials and share the link with participants. Note, these share options available only in public session. If you are creating a private session, then these share options will not be available. You can invite an external participant by entering their email or mobile. Once you've shared the session link, participants can use it to join the session seamlessly.